Shifting focus to the other story we're tracking this Saturday, a 22-year-old MBA student was allegedly molested while travelling on a Churchgate-bound local train in Mumbai on Thursday. The incident took place in the ladies' compartment and there was reportedly no policeman present in the compartment. The accused allegedly immediately jumped off the train before he could be caught, but he's been identified by the woman from the images captured by CCTVs installed at the railway platform. Police have registered an FIR and formed 3 to 4 teams to nab the accused.
मैंने मैडम को पूरा इसके बारे में ब्रीफ किया है। आपको इस बारे में रेलवे पुलिस के जो अधिकृत प्रवक्ता है उनसे आप पूरी मालूमात ले सकते हैं।
हस्बैंड में कांस्टेबल नहीं था, उसकी जिम्मेदारी क्या थी, क्यों नहीं थी, क्या वजह क्या?
वो आपको इंक्वायरी में पूरा मालूम पड़ेगा।
पुलिस जवाबदेह है सर।
इसके बारे में पूरी जांच जो होगी हमारे वरिष्ठ लेवल का अधिकारी करके उसके बारे में जो भी कार्रवाई होगी वो आपको बताई जाएगी। पुलिस ने खुद होकर इस मैटर में गुना भी दाखिल किया है।
सर 354 ओनली।
हाँ 354 150 रेलवे एक्ट 10 साल का
आरपीएफ ने किया सर।
आरपीएफ ने हमने किया।
जो सीसीटीवी में
152 150 उसके अंदर में 10 साल की कन्विक्शन है। हमने बड़ा से बड़ा
का मामला है। उस लड़की का जिस ढंग से कपड़ा
वो लड़कियां आने के बाद में हम उसका पूरा डिटेल लेंगे। होगा तो अगर ऐसा है तो हम वो सेक्शन भी उसमें बढ़ाएगी।
11 बजे की बाद जबकि पुलिस हर महिलाओं के डब्बे में होना अनिवार्य है, ऐसे होते हुए वहाँ पे पुलिस कर्मचारी क्यों वहाँ उपस्थित नहीं था, ये हमने उनसे पूछा है। उन्होंने कहा है कि हम उनके पास इस बात का फिलहाल के लिए कोई जवाब है नहीं, हम इसका जवाब जरूर मांगेंगे, इनसे मांगेंगे, इनके जो वरिष्ठ हैं उनसे मांगेंगे, जो कमिश्नर साहब हैं उनसे मांगेंगे कि अगर 11 बजे के बाद में कोई भी महिला, जब हम कहते हैं कि वो बेखौफ होके जाए और मुंबई की लाइफलाइन है रेलवे, उसके ऊपर हम निर्भर हैं, और 11 बजे के बाद अगर ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट आज की तारीख में भी घटता है तो महिलाएं मुंबई और महाराष्ट्र में बिल्कुल भी सुरक्षित नहीं है।
Let's get now word from Mustafa Sheikh, who's with us live from Mumbai this afternoon. Mustafa, a breakthrough of sort. The accused has been identified by this girl after he was caught on a CCTV installed at the police station. But what's important to note here is that according to railway rules, a policeman is supposed to travel in the women's compartment of all these locals. The fact that he was missing is something that the railway police will also have to take note of.
Of course, that's the main issue in this case, that railway policemen have been deployed in the ladies' compartment of Mumbai local trains. But in this particular case, the constable says that he was not able to reach at the Churchgate station because his train was running late, and that's why this incident has taken place. It could have been a bigger incident. Let me remind you, the cause of concern is not only this incident, but also since last few weeks there have been many incidents of robbery and theft with women passengers. Women passengers have been dragged outside train and they have fallen and suffered injuries. So this is a large concern for the safety of women when they travel in the Mumbai local train, and this incident has been taken in the light of that safety issue, that a policeman which should have been present there was not present, and this incident has taken place in the ladies compartment, and that person who got inside had the guts to get inside and then come out, and he left the railway station without being caught by anybody. It was fortunate that there was a CCTV camera on the platform when he got in the train. So that is the footage which has been identified by the complainant, and based on that the police is looking for that accused. At the same point, the complainant has not come forward to record a formal statement with the police. The police is saying that they don't have the exact sequence of events as to what happened. But the prima facie statement which that woman had given day before yesterday, on that basis, the case has been registered and they are looking for that accused.
All right, search is on for the accused. Mustafa, stay on with us. We're also being joined by Advocate Abha Singh, who's with us on the phone line. Abha Singh, Mumbai usually has a reputation of being a safe city for women. This is a shocking incident. What's also surprising is that there was no policeman present in the ladies' compartment of that local.
Definitely. In fact, there are policemen not only from the Railway Protection Force, the RPF, but also from the local police, the GRP. So there are two units which are supposed to look after safety in the trains. So I think explanation of both the units should be called up. But what is surprising, that of late so many theft cases and all also have been taking place on these railway lines. In fact, one woman lost her life. She was trying to chase a person who snatched her bag. And after this molestation case happens, it clearly shows that the authorities are apathetic towards women's safety, and these people, not only the police but the railway, DRM and all, should also be hauled up, because this is a coordinated effort which should take place. But I am sorry to say that none of the organizations are concerned about women's safety, and the crime against women and locals is increasing like anything.
Right, Abha Singh, even as we speak about security on board the locals, it's important to note that CCTVs installed at the railway platform have been able to capture pictures of the alleged accused. At least that is that is a mechanism that will help the police nab those guilty.
Yeah, but nabbing is secondary. The first issue is when everybody knows such type of offences are taking place, why preventive action is not being taken, why innocent passengers are losing lives, they are facing such trauma. So preventive action needs to be taken against all these people who are on these important posts, and it is part of their duty. CCTV will take it secondary, because the job of any police officer is to prevent any crime from taking place, and that shows that there is no roadmap, there is no strategy how to look after this. And just because the constable, as he was saying, that he missed the train, you cannot have like that. You should have a backup mechanism that if one constable who's supposed to go in the night is not there, there should be second person who should be there. So these things have to be put in place if we want to make Mumbai safe for women.
Absolutely, preventive action needs to be put into place. Action needs to be taken to ensure safety of women on Mumbai's roads and on board public transport. Abha Singh, thanks so much for that. Mustafa, thanks for the update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more.